Hola,
¿Cuál es el nombre de su empresa? ¿Quién es usted?
this is William. I'm the Expo Sales Manager at the Jainnher Machine Company. Jainnher Machine Company has more than 40 years experience on producing centerless, cylindrical, internal, double spindle, center hole, vertical, and thread grinding machine.
¿Qué productos o servicios está preparado para llevar a la exposición de Expomaq 2024?
This time, Jainnher will show centerless grinding machine, which is suitable for mass production components.
¿Por qué ustedes van a participar en Expomaq 2024?
Our mass market is a new and highly potential market for Jainnher Machine Company. There are many companies invest and open new factory in Mexico. Jainnher would like to show the grinding machine to those requests of the potential customer, also to help customers to find a solution.
Hola.